Welcome, dear traders. My name is Yuri, and today we start our weekly market forecast where I'll show you best ideas which you can trade also. Today's topic will be why I think that with huge possibility Bitcoin will grow up to 100k per one Bitcoin. Also my thoughts about Cardano and Ethereum, and we're starting right now. But before, my friends, what we should do? Right now, please write into the chat about quality of the video and quality of the sound, and we will start. Also, write please into a chat. About do you hear me well? Do you see me well? Because it's important to hear from you. Okay, here I would delete all of this. Also, my friends, I would write to our people in Telegram that we had started. Sounds good. Awesome. My friends, what will be a structure of today's stream? As always, first one, we will analyze major and the most important cryptocurrency pairs. Also, I will show you after that fundamental data why I think Bitcoin can rise up to 100k. After that, I will show you technical analysis and accurate entry points, which will be useful for all of us to trade. And after that, my friends, there would be questions and answer sessions. That's why, right at this moment, right now, into a chat, that you hear me well, you see me well, and we had started crypto bigger trading. Okay, I see that people coming. Right, please, do you hear me? Yes, I see that people watching. Good. Sound good. David. My friends, at this moment I see only that 2 people wrote about sound and video. My dear, it's important that all of you will write to me about sound and video. As you can see at this moment, only 2 people wrote about sound and video. I wait for all of you, my dear friends. It's important to get feedback from you. Also, if you just join our live stream, at this moment, I ask you right now to write about yourself and questions which you have at this moment. Because when we will build this stream, for me it would be better and easier to understand all of you and type of people who is here. That's why. Write into a chat reasons why you came here. For example, like Yuri, I came here to speak, or for example, David, what do you think about Cardano and future of it? And after that would be the best thing which we can do. And also, my friends, remember to push like to support the stream. Remember to push like, because when you do it, YouTube shares that video to many other people. Okay. Thumbs up. My friends, I wait for you. We will wait additional 1-2 minutes for other people. Awais from Pakistan want to ask about Bitcoin next ATH, all-time high. Tell me please what exactly is your question about Bitcoin's all-time high. Tell me please, Avis from Pakistan, what exactly questions do you have about Bitcoin's all-time high? Good. Friends, I wait from you, and I wait for info from you about Bitcoin, Bitcoin's futures, and reasons like who you are, what's your name, your experience, and what questions you have, because before we will start our stream, it's important to know about you, about who you are. Okay. Also, my friends, take a look here. Inside in our in this chat, I pinned. If you have any questions about our cooperation, use this Telegram. Use this Telegram and also subscribe on our Telegram channel, where you will gain a lot of updates about crypto, about what you should trade, all of these ideas. Also, follow me in Twitter. And here in our Discord, take a look. We have beautiful Discord. We have free room in Discord where you can communicate with other people, share ideas, experience. I recommend to all of you right now to subscribe. Yuri, I have a question about Bitcoin miners and why they sell. They sell because they want to make money. Like a lot of people believe completely in Bitcoin, but tell me please how they can use Bitcoin in this dirty world. To buy any good at this moment, you need to have dollars, euros, pounds. That's why people will sell it, and they will also have part fiat currencies, because like you go to a shop, you will pay in fiat. Even if you use crypto, still every crypto at this moment, we calculate crypto price into US dollar, to euro, to British pound. Still, like we don't have a crypto which completely independent and used as a worldwide payment method. Bitcoin is good for transferring money from one country to another, especially if you want to avoid taxes, something like that. Or you, for example, you politician, especially corrupt politician, and it's awesome for you to use a Bitcoin. But for small payments, like to buy coffee, to buy something like that, fee is too big. That's why not all the people around the world will use it. Okay. Okay. Okay, my friends, I think we should start. I see that we are here 8 minutes. Write, please, more about yourself, because I see that only few people communicate, my friends. We will not work in that way. If you want me to do this stream, you should communicate. I told you, all of you, write about yourself, questions which you have, and your experience. And at this moment, I see that only nearly 5 or 6 people did it. It's not good for our communications. That's why right now, what you do? In a chat, you write about yourself, for example, Yuri from Ukraine, in trading 7 years, interested in Bitcoin technical analysis. Or Justin from United Kingdom, interested in Cardano technical analysis. Right now, you should do it into your chat. Hello, Yuri from India. I'm listening from Los Angeles for help trading because I think you are brilliant. Rosie, thank you. Thank you. Do you really think Cardano can reach to 5 USD this month? Huge hacks from Spain. To be honest, it is a clickbait, because when we will analyze Cardano, many of you will have that answer. Dave, I did already before. I have just started watching to invest a little, maybe even get to buy, sell both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay. Panical Gaming. My friends, I wait for replies for all of you. I would like to see at least that 20 people will write about themselves and what questions they have at this moment. Okay. Okay. Bitcoin. 20 people. Will be there 20 people who write about themselves and questions which you have about Bitcoin. 20 people. We need 20 people who will do that, and that would be the best feedback from all of you. Okay. My drive. Yuri, hi from New York, trading for years. What's the price target for PDC? Hi Yuri, my name is David from Ireland. I learned part of your videos. Thank you. I would like to know future price predictions, maybe especially after passing all-time high. Good. Mohammed, Iran, Bitcoin. Good. This such stuff far better when I see a lot of questions from you. Okay. Okay, my dear. Thanks for live from Turkey, beginner. What's the Bitcoin price moves? Okay, good. Okay, my friends, let's start. Let's start this analysis. I see that finally all of you become far more active and ask your questions. At this moment, I would do my picture a little bit smaller, that all of you would be able to see it, because at this moment, as always, we will start from Bitcoin. And after that, I will analyze top 10 coins and will tell you what could be the next and accurate entry points. And we're starting right now at this moment. First one, as you can see, Bitcoin continues this pattern which happened here. After a rise, Bitcoin create a range and coming again, slowly coming up. To be honest, it's really good and powerful pattern. At this moment, my friend, major question is this uprise true or false? Because many of you need to follow economic data. Because take a look here. We have a few seconds. On our major screen, I would have this folder. I prepared for you this folder and this economic data about Bitcoin. Because major reason why Bitcoin dropped a lot previous time, take a look here. As you can see, Bitcoin miners net position, as you can see, when Bitcoin hit 42K, even here at 30K, miners started selling a lot heavy. Here it was Elon Musk pump. A lot of people just absorb all that volume. And also, as you can see, miners stop selling. At this moment, as you can see, this disbalance, it's already nearly balanced. It's a really good and powerful signal for possible uprise, because as you can see, on previous time when miners stopped selling, big period of time, there could be, as you can see, a huge uprise. And at this moment, my friends, okay, it is economic data about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, most of the people, take a look, another economic data about Bitcoin. As you can see, balance on exchanges dropping. It shows to us that someone just buy Bitcoin and withdraw it from exchanges. It is a really good economic data. It is a fundamental data for a bigger time period. Because, my friends, if someone, what they do, they just take and they absorb. Take a look here. As you can see on this data, someone just withdraw after Bitcoin broke its after Bitcoin broke 12K, something like that, this previous high, 14, as you can see, someone started withdraw Bitcoins from exchange. And at this moment, it even accelerate. What does it mean for all of us? If that withdrawal had happened because of big guys, big players, it means huge possibilities that Bitcoin will continue uprise. Because of such economic data, why it is so important for all of you, my dear Bitcoin traders. Because if institutional investors will continue to pay attention to Bitcoin, that will mean to all of us that price can rise up even to 100K. Because once more, why I wrote in a title that Bitcoin can rise to 100K this year? Because I told to all of you in this chart, as you can see, someone just buy Bitcoin and withdraw it into cold storage. If this happened by big banks, something like that, that means they will hold it, they can hold it for very big period of time. And remember, as more coins will be into cold storage, there would be far more, there would be less Bitcoin on exchanges, which can push price down. That's really good, because to push price down, people who bought a lot of Bitcoin, they need accelerate their positions on exchanges. That's why, my friends, at this moment, what can I tell you? That's why Bitcoin for me fundamentally up. Ask your questions in the chat. Hey Yuri, my name is Dev. Oh, especially okay. I am from okay. I am from Mongolia. I have sold 40k Bitcoin. Do you think when it hits it can reject and go down a bit? Hello, brother. I am from India. What's your opinion about from Singapore? Just started on crypto. Have been monitoring others the past few days. 1.2 resistance level. What's your take? Thank you for technical analysis, by the way. Hello, I'm a Russian interested in Bitcoin, ETH. My friends, about our Russian people, about our Russian followers, dear Russia followers, remember that we have also Russian channel. We have channel in Russian, and I would like to share it with you and send to you into a chat. Okay. That's why, my friends, about all of this, what I can tell you, for me, Bitcoin fundamentally, with huge possibility, will continue uprise. Friends, I just sent into a chat our Russian channels in Russian language, Telegram channel and YouTube channel. Just open and subscribe, because there would be a lot of stuff, useful stuff. At this moment, once more, let's summarize. Bitcoin still in this powerful uptrend. At this moment, when Bitcoin broke this accumulation, someone started buying it and withdraw into cold storage from exchanges. That's why at this moment it is completely bullish, because I could, if people buy Bitcoin, that means it will be bullish. And because of that, I think that Bitcoin also can continue uprise. And at this moment, as you can see, they broke this accumulation, this range. And after that, I hope at this moment that there would be pullback from this local key level, 55k. If there would be pullback at least into this area, where we will be able to build some trend line, something like this, here would be possible entry for buy. And after that, my friends, if breakout will happen of this key level, how far it will rise, difficult to speak, because in some cases, like in this cycle, it can rise up even like here. If there would be the same cycle like here, it can rise up even to 75,000. If, as you can see, there are a lot of if stuff. To be honest, we don't behave like this in our VIP room, because I always reply to our people, even like today. Take a look here. Few of our friends today made huge profit because they opened a trade on Luna. Take a look here. They made huge profit on Luna. As you can see, few of our followers, as you can see, take a look. They HZ, oh my god, price just doubled. Few of our people, take a look here, made 32%. I would like, here, take a look, Luna. As you can see, one of our people, VIP room followers, open a trade on Luna, and after that he asked me about take profits. When price broke all-time high, no one knows how far it will rise. Best what you can do is to close by parts. For example, you open by here, before breakout you close in the first part, before 70k you close another part, before 75 you close fourth part, like 40% here, 30% here, 30% here, something like that. That's how it works, because once more, no one knows for 100% how far price will rise. But you, what you can do, better to close by parts. Okay, I'm with English. I can understand 90% of your speech. It's just a bit difficult to write or speak for me. Yes, I understand you. Dear Mr. Bishko, what do you think about EagleDAI and DOT? Are they good for buying long term? We will analyze all of them. At this moment, my friends, I would like to finish with Bitcoin, that all of you will understand it completely. Tell me, please, is it clear for you about Bitcoin and what you think about at this moment? Do you have any questions about Bitcoin? At this moment, if you enjoy this content right now, push like and subscribe to get more updates in the future. I bought today ADA at $1. Was it a mistake? Wait, we will have ADA after. Ethereum, ADA, first BNB, DOT, and after that there would be ADA. ADA, when we will come to ADA, I will explain to you what you can do and what could be the next. My friends, I would like to finish Bitcoin part. Tell me please, is it clear for you about Bitcoin? Also, remember, some of you will have questions about our VIP room. Here, first, join our Discord VIP room. Join our Discord free channel, because here you can read all testimonials. By the way, if some of you would like to join our VIP room, here, take a look. It would be for 7 days. Okay. Expire after. Okay, no limit. Generate new link. My friends, here is invitation into our Discord channel, because this channel, it is a free channel. You can join by invitation. And here you can read all testimonials about our service. I recommend you just to read after when we will finish. Amazing. Clear like sky. Okay, thank you, my friends. Let's continue and let's go to Ethereum. A few days ago, I recorded update on YouTube channel, so said that not many of you saw it, because I saw by amount of views, but still, take a look here. And there I told about Ethereum. Tell me please, did someone bought Ethereum as I told it? Tell me please, did someone bought it when I told it? Take a look here. As you can see, it is our previous video where I record about Ethereum. Said so that not many of you saw it, only nearly 1,000 views. And take a look, my friend. Here, I told exactly about Ethereum, where it was. Time link, Cardano, Ethereum 733. As you can see here, I told that Ethereum, take a look, price at that moment were at 1,487. And what I told to all of you, that as you can see from this moment, price will make minimum rehigh. And take a look what happened at this moment. From this point, price rose up here to 1,800. And it is, how many? It is 27% up price. I think I deserve to get your subscribe after such feedback and after such accuracy. Right now, push like if you think it's accurate and subscribe. And it's important to turn on notification, because YouTube doesn't like to share crypto content a lot with people. And it's important that you need to turn on bell that you will get notification about our lessons in the future. How to join this Discord channel? Free channel, you can join free channel just into a chat. I sent this. Use this link. It is a free channel. If you would like to join our VIP room, you should write an above. There would be contacts which I pinned above. Take a look here. This contact, you just write to us, and here you can join VIP room. Okay, my friends, let's continue. What can I tell you about all of this, about Ethereum and all of that stuff? As I told you, price from this key level broke all of this, and at this moment, as you can see, it rose up very well. Because few days ago, why I love to trade here? Because few days ago, as you can see, Ethereum killed so many bulls. Take a look on this huge volume. A lot of people, I remember, a lot of people think only about buy on Ethereum. I remember so many channels were told about buy. But as you can see, price create wedge pattern, wedge channel, and broke it down. Because a lot of people who accumulate buy positions, their stop losses were here and here. And after this breakout, I like this breakout, because at this moment, what I think, that our price will continue. But I think many of you would ask the same question. Yuri, where we can open a position. And my answer is very simple, my friend, that we can open a position only in a good and accurate entry place. Okay, it is our Discord room. About Ethereum, my friends, I think if price will make a real low and pull back to this key level, that could be a good place to open a position. It would be maybe one of the best, nearly the same as here happened. If there would be such real low of this local key level and retest of the trend line, I think it would be maybe one of the best. Right into a chat, do you agree with me? Also, my friends, push like for accuracy. Okay, let's go to another instrument. Write please into a chat. Is it clear about Ethereum? If you have any questions about Ethereum, it is a time to ask it. My friend, about BNB, Binance Coin. As you can see, BNB broke this triangle. And at this moment, major question, will BNB continue the same destiny as BNB done here? Because as you can see, after this triangle here, better to say not triangle, but it was like a wedge or channel. But as you can see, after this channel breakout, as you can see, price explode. Price rose up from 133 to 347. It was 160%, a lot. At this moment, many of you have the same question. Will Binance Coin will continue the same uprise? To be honest, no one knows. If I would know, I would put 125 leverage here. I don't like Binance Coin at this moment because Binance Coin, as you can see, they rose up so much without any decent pullback. As you can see, 700% for the last few days, and they rose up, as you can see, they rose up, my friends, 4,000% from a low of 2020. Imagine those people who accumulate buy position on Binance Coin. It is, as you can see, 70% of all volume which were traded on this chart were inside in this range from 10 USD to 40. What does it mean? That someone built huge position here, and at this moment I have only one question: who buy Binance Coin, BNB, at such huge price? Because for me it is irrelevant why big guys after such huge rise will buy it. I understand Bitcoin, that at this moment a lot of banks buy Bitcoin and storage it. It's like digital gold, but for this instrument. Why? Many people do it. That's why at this moment, what I can tell you, if you open buy at breakout of this local key level, it's good. I recommend you to close at least part of it. If you open buy here, I recommend you to close part of it at least at this key level, as you can see here. At this moment, I think for BNB it would be good to make a pullback from this key level, and if that would be continue and squeezing, I think there could be another breakout up to re-high. I think BNB can make a re-high. What will be after, my friend? To be honest, I don't know, and I would wait for it. Do you have any questions about Binance Coin, my friends? What do you think drives the variation in value between ETH and Bitcoin? Very good explanation. Video is blue, sir. Can you tell variably about ETH entry point? I want to know more about gold. I will wait till it comes. After crypto, we can analyze gold. Yes, very clear. Do you have any questions about Binance coin? Write into your chat. About Ethereum, my friend, I explained to you trade after pullback to local trend line. If you want to get far more accurate entry point with my like today we sent so many trading plans. To take a look, we sent to our VIP room so many trading plans, as you can see. Of course, you can join our VIP room and get updates on everyday basis. Gold after crypto, my friends. If there would be 100 likes, I would do gold analysis even faster. As soon as there would be 100 likes, that's why push it. Okay, go to, my friends, DOT. Many of you would be happy what I will show to you on DOT, because few minutes ago I analyzed DOT before this live stream, and what I would tell you, my friends, at this moment, as you can see, they built really beautiful breakout. As you can see, DOT, they didn't, as you can see this triangle, as you can see, they didn't fail to hold this trend line. And at this moment, what I like on DOT, I like that price started squeezing and we have this beautiful range before breakout. As you can see also, what I like, that price here bounced from this key level before breakout. And at this moment, my friends, what it looks that breakout will happen. And many of you will ask me, okay, Yuri, if breakout will happen, where could be my goal? First goal, if you would open a trend line breakout, first goal, I would recommend you to hold to this key level. And second goal, I would recommend you to hold even to 50 USD if this trend line breakout will happen on DOT. I personally will open a position if there would be something like this. If there would be uprise, pull back, and after that they will continue uprise. If first breakout will be a trap, only after that I will open entry. It would be nearly the same as it was on Ocean. Take a look, Ocean. A few days ago I sent into our VPRO my trade on Ocean. Take a look how Ocean made beautiful trap, as you can see here. Take a look. Ocean, what happened? The same as I told you here. Ocean create key level, but instead of breaking first time, what they did trap for those who trade buy, pull back, they hit stop losses of buyers, and only after that they broke it. And at this moment, take a look what's going on with Ocean, as you can see here. And I would show to you, and take a look where Ocean right now. From 0.95 to 1.65 rose up. The same can happen here. If one of these scenarios will work, my friends, trade breakout. Yes, clear explain gold, my friend. Friends, what questions do you have at this moment about this beautiful cryptocurrency pairs? Tell me, please, is it clear for you about BNB, gold, and Bitcoin, Ethereum? I would like to hear your feedback. Talk about DIA. After top 10 cryptocurrency pairs, I will talk about DIA. My friends, right now, write into your chat your feedback, because if you will be active, we will do. If there would be no feedbacks from you, no questions, we will finish this live. Cardano. Cardano today, as you can see, what happened today on Cardano? If you will take a look on this beautiful Cardano, they broke this trend line, as you can see. But major problem at this moment, what I can tell you. Compare this breakout on Cardano and compare this breakout. As you can see, what they did, huge volume here, but take a look on this huge volume. Price broke it with huge volume. I think they hit stop losses of every person who holds or who open sell position here. Here they hit stop losses of sellers. But as you can see, price didn't hold above key level. They still above this trend line, but I don't like this. Because in most cases, if a breakout really true into trend direction, they create breakout, pull back, and after that immediately second wave. That's why at this moment, my friends, what I can tell you about Cardano, about reason why I wrote that Cardano rise up to 2.5 USD. Technically, it's possible. Will it happen, my friends? To be honest, we should discover. Okay. Gold, my friend, talk about. Qtum, Litecoin. My friends, write more instruments which you would like me to analyze. Write, please, more instruments. Yes, Ripple. As you can see, we have this list of instruments which we'll analyze. Uni, Link, Litecoin, Ripple, Dogecoin. All of them will be on this list. Luna. My friend, about Luna, what I can tell you today, so many people who trade, who are inside in our VIP room, they made huge profit on Luna today. If you would take a look, no, wait, it was, oh my god. For Luna, as you can see, Luna. About Luna, as you can see, a few days ago, take a look. One of our VIP members told open entry exactly at breakout as I told about Luna. Take a look about Luna. 5th of March, I told about breakout of Luna into our VIP room. And at this moment, Luna rose up. At this moment, what I can tell you about Luna? Wait. Okay, let's continue to Cardano. My friends, to be honest, I don't like Cardano at this moment. Why? Because on daily chart, as you can see, we still below this mirror level. And to be honest, I scare that this breakout, it is a trap. Because as you can see, yesterday daily candle closed at low. And at this moment, my friends, I would wait for a proof on Cardano. Because yes, technically, as you can see, they also withstand this uprise. And they withstand this trend line. As you can see, they didn't break this trend line. But I would open I will become bullish on ADA only if ADA will break this level and will close above it. After pullback, I would like to open entry on ADA. Only in that case. Because at this moment, for me, this breakout looks like a trap. To be honest, I hope that I'm wrong about this trap. But tell me please into the chat, how many of you hold any position on ADA? How many of you have any position on ADA? Write into the chat. I hope that I would be wrong on Cardano about this. But my friends, for me it looks that Cardano, with huge possibility, will break all of this into one direction, into some direction. Yes, that could be even breakdown. If there would be a breakdown like this, it would be a disaster. Because every person which accumulate buy position inside in this range, they would be swamped. And because of that, there could be a really powerful down drop. That's why, once more, I would wait for one of these breakouts. And only after that, it would be a clear what we can do on ADA. Do you agree with me? Tell me please, write into a chat right now. Do you agree with me that it is important that Cardano will break it into up or down? Do you think Bitcoin will break 55k today? We will cover Bitcoin. We already covered Bitcoin. We will come back to Bitcoin after when we will analyze all instruments. I will answer about Bitcoin all questions. ADA is going up slowly and steadily. Yes, ADA going up slowly and steadily last few days. But what can you tell me about this part of ADA? Can you tell me about this part of ADA? From 2018, ADA dropped. Take a look. ADA drop a lot, and don't tell me that ADA just rise up. The pullbacks, it's inevitable. It's the same when you breathe, when you put air inside and out. That's why, once more, wait for one of this breakout, my friends. I would send to you this. I would send into a chat this screenshot. Also, for all of you, what I recommend you to do, subscribe for our Telegram channel. Because here, if there would be something beautiful on ADA, Cardano, I will immediately send into our Telegram channel. That's why right now, remember to follow us in Telegram. Okay, finally, I see that many of you ask a question. ADA doing the same as Bitcoin? Yes, agree, made perfect sense. It already closed above. ADA didn't close above key level on daily chart, especially. Daily chart breakout would be confirmation for ADA rise up. if that would happen, for me, it would be completely confirmation. That's why I wait for one of these scenarios, my friends. I would wait for breakout. About breakout, many of you can ask how to trade breakout, and I prepared for you a special playlist here. Take a look. How to trade breakout, false breakout, and breakout strategy. Here I prepared for you 5 lessons. So soon there would be on Thursday. By the way, why I recommend to all of you to subscribe, push like, and turn on notification, because on Thursday we will publish a lesson, new lesson about how to trade breakout strategy. It would be awesome. That's why I recommend all of you to subscribe right now and turn on all notifications. Okay, let's go to another one, to Ripple. About Ripple, tell me please, does some of you hold any Ripple? Do you have any Ripple and have questions about Ripple? Tell me please, my friends. A few days ago, as you can see, Ripple made this beautiful false breakout of re-high. At this moment, what I can tell you, my friends, Ripple inside in this range. And at this moment, do you know, does some of you know how to trade range? Tell me please, does some of you know how to trade range? Because in a range, in what cases it would be wise to trade it? Only nearly range borders. That's why at this moment, what I can tell you, yes, there would be a lot of ideas inside, but as you can see, Ripple in a range. Wait for, if there would be a false breakout of this killer, for me it would be maybe one of the best entry points. Or, as you can see at this moment, it tried to build this trend line. Some of you can also try to trade this breakout, but I don't like it because I don't trade inside in a range. Remember, until SEC, Security and Exchange Commission, will finish its investigation, Ripple, there would be very big problems with Ripple. I don't trade it until that time. Okay, no Ripple. 5% of my wallet Ripple. No Ripple. Makes perfect sense. Lots of European investors. PayPal announcement for 15 March and US stimulus package is going to be interesting month. Yes. Key level is €1. Okay. Tell me please, does some of you hold Litecoin? My friend, I hope you remember that on previous video analysis, on our YouTube channel, I record exactly what to do with Litecoin. And Litecoin, as you can see, follow nearly the same as Bitcoin, as Ethereum. And at this moment, as you can see, Litecoin exactly broke its trend line. Take a look on this trend line, as I told on previous analysis. As you can see, once more, you open our YouTube channel and you will find, my dear friends, no Ripple. Tell me please about your Litecoin holdings. Does some of you hold? Do you want to invest into some cryptocurrency pair? My friend, if you will continue float into a chat, I will block you. About Litecoin, a few days ago, I told you that Litecoin, take a look here. It was after 11 minutes in a video where I told to all of the people that Litecoin preparing for what? Oh my God. I told that Litecoin preparing for breakout. Take a look. This trend line breakout. And at this moment, as you can see, exactly happened. To be honest, my friends, Litecoin looks very good. Nearly the same as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Also, as you can see, Litecoin broke these local key levels. And what I can tell you, if some of you bought it because of breakout, as I told you, just hold it. I recommend you just to set stop loss here. Take a look. If you bought it when breakout had happened, I recommend you just to set stop loss below a tail, even here, like 5%, and hold it. First goal, I would recommend you to have 1 to 4 risk reward, and second goal before all-time high breakout. And after that, also you can hold other part, because if Bitcoin will continue uprise, Litecoin also will explode. That's why, once more, if some of you bought it after trendline breakout, you can hold it. It's maybe first candidate for bigger time frame trading. But nice explanation about Ripple. As will, I don't know, like trade range. Yes. My friends, any questions about Litecoin into a chat? Link, the same, take a look. Link, the same as, my friends, take a look. I showed to you all instruments which we analyzed previous. You can see how it plays out really well. That's why at this moment, push like, subscribe, turn on notification, because you will get a lot of updates in the future. As you can see, Link made this real low, the same as Ethereum. Ethereum also broke this local trend line. After that, came back to retest and rehigh. But as you can see, Link failed to rehigh sharply. At this moment, what I think, if Link will come back to this local key level, I think the huge possibility Link can bounce from this trend line and can continue this uprise. That's why if there would be a retest of this trend line, you can try to open buy on Link with stop loss below this tail. What is PayPal announcement? Are they going into crypto and which one? PayPal will not go into a crypto. PayPal don't need to go into a crypto. PayPal will give you opportunity to buy crypto. Gold will be, my friend, gold will be after Uni and Doge. Wait, please. Uni, my friends, few days ago, as you remember, I told about Uni and about Uni breakout. By the way, take a look in our VIP room, as you can see. Inside in our VIP room, we trade Uni when price was, as you can see, Uni. As you can see, I told to buy Uni. Take a look, first one. No, it was not that. Take a look. We opened our first trade on Uni 1st of March. Take a look. When price were at 22 inside into our VIP room. And you also can be part of it. When price were at 22. At this moment, as you can see, price rose up. How many? 48%. After that, as you can see, I told to buy Uni after this key level breakout. As you can see, this local key level, when price broke it, retest happened and continue uprise. At this moment, my friends, there is nothing to do with Uni because after such sharp uprise, with huge possibilities there would be pullback. But still, if some of you would like to be inside in our VIP room, remember that I pinned contacts and write to our team and join. I sold and bought Bitcoin earlier this week. How now? I have British pound and no BTC. When is better to buy now? Better to buy Bitcoin when there would be a pullback. Take a look on Bitcoin. I told you at the start of this live that better to buy Bitcoin when price will do a pullback to this trend line. That would be the best opportunity to buy Bitcoin. At this moment, it's not wise to buy. But remember that Bitcoin broke all of this accumulation. Technically, it looks very bullish. Dogecoin. My dear friends, at this moment, as you can see, Dogecoin broke this local range up. To be honest, what I can tell you, I don't believe a lot into Dogecoin because a few days ago I recorded a video why I think Dogecoin could drop by 80%. On our YouTube channel, you will find that lesson. At this moment, as you can see, Dogecoin, after this uprise, as you can see, they coming back completely to retest this key level. Everything depends how they will retest. If there would be false breakout, I think there could be even rehigh. But if there would be retest, pull back, and after that come back, if there would be breakout of all of this, there would be huge drop. Especially if Elon Musk will stop supported because of SEC investigation about his tweets. Thank you, bro. All of your signals, great. You're welcome. My friend, remember, do you know that we have Russian channels in Russian language? For all of you, we will build a project in Russian language. I recommend all of you to join. Bell. Other hedge huge update. We will see a lot of project going into Cardano. Keep your eyes on Cardano news partnership announcement. Yes, that's why I pay a lot of attention for Cardano. To be honest, I hope Cardano will break all of this I hope Cardano will break this range up, because for me it would be really good and clear confirmation that Cardano will rise up a lot. My friends, few words about gold, and after that, after gold, I will analyze other instruments. Tell me please, how many of you would like to hear about gold? And after that, there would be questions and answer sessions, and I will give you feedback about other instruments. Like you should write into a chat a cryptocurrency pairs which you would like me to analyze, and after we will I will do it for you. Write please into a chat how many of you would like to see gold update. I would like to see at least 10 people who would like to see that they're interested to know what will be with gold. If there would be 10 people who write into a chat right now that gold, like you just need to write into a chat gold. If there would be 10 people, I will analyze gold. Bell. Some of you ask me about Bell. Okay, Bell. Bell, as you can see, broke this local key level. Yes, gold, please. My friends, 10 people, Timo, 10 people. It's less than 10% of all people who is here. Yes, you're too late to buy Ethereum. Now, about Bell, my friend. As you can see, what's the main beauty of Bell? They made this deep pullback, huge drop. As you can see, they made pullback for 60%. I like instruments which make pullback for 60%. As you can see, a few days ago, even inside in our VIP room, I sent about Bell. Take a look about this breakout. A few days ago, I remember that I sent about Bell to trade it. Take a look. Bell. What price it was? No, Bell, new, old, relevant, new. As you can see, Bell, when price was at 3.21 USD, I told about, as you can see, Bell breakout. And take a look what happened to Bell. As you can see, Bell exactly broke this key level. And at this moment, my friend, what can I tell you? You too late, because price already broke this key level, and at this moment only if there would be any retest to that key area, it would be possible to open a position, because it's not wise to open entry after such rise. If there would be a retest of this key level, you can try to open entry after retest. If there would be like false breakout, you can try trade it. Okay, gold. Thoughts on Cardano, Ripple. Good. My friends, finally that many of you wrote about gold. Ask your questions please about gold which you have right now, because I'm analyzing it. Okay, my dear friends, as you can see, gold, what's the major idea of gold? Most of the investors use gold as asset which can protect them against like crisis. Many investors, when they buy stocks, for example portfolios, they also add some part of gold for their portfolio protection. And at this moment, as you can see, every gold attempt to break every accumulation, every range, as you can see, after that every of that ended by traps. Take a look on this trap and take a look on this trap. By the way, they look nearly the same. What does it mean for all of us? That someone forced gold to make this powerful down drop, because as you can see, huge range down drop. As you can see, even here, range accumulation and down drop. But few days ago, as you know, US government announced stimulus package, 1.9 trillions. Many of that money will come into stock market. And what I think, the huge possibility, gold, also a lot of money will be added into gold. That's why at this moment, I would wait for any pattern on gold. If, as you can see, at this moment, gold built wedge pattern. As you can see, downward channel, and take a look, they finally broke this downward channel. And If there would be breakout of this downward channel, any pullback here would be good entry for uprise, because that would be a signal that this downward channel finished. To be honest, for me, better would be if before daily close here, there would be a V formation. What is V formation? When price sharply will drop, and after that slowly will come back, will create range, and after that break it. For me, this will be the best. Example for you, previous end of bullish cycle, as you can see here. Take a look when gold were at 1,100. As you can see, price were in this downward channel. They even, as you can see, made this fake out 2 times. And after that, what they did? Imagine all the people who accumulate buy position. Every bulls were killed here. And after that, as you can see, what happened? They came back exactly to a key level from which they started drop range before it. And take a look what happened after that. If gold will do nearly the same pattern, for me it will be really bullish and just buy it and hold it for very big period of time. Just to ask your questions into the chat. But before, my friends, at this moment I recommend you to join our education program or to join our VIP room. Here I would like to share with you some testimonials of our people, how many percent they make with us. Take a look, read this feedback from people who join our VIP room. Here you can join these testimonials, and you can inside in these testimonials you can read all info about feedbacks of our people. Take a look here. As you can see, a lot of people very thankful to us. Take a look on the results of our people back tested. As you can see how it works on everyday basis. We share our trading plans, ideas, and you can communicate with us on daily basis and trade with us. That's why right now, if you have any questions about VIP room, you should use this Telegram and you should join right now. It is Discord. Below this video there would be contacts, and here use this one. Take a look. Oh my god. Take a look, my friend. Here I would like to send it to you into a chat and ask your questions about instruments which you have right now. Right here, take a look. Yes, it's possible to join our VIP Discord VIP room only, but once more, it is VIP room. It is not a signal service. It does not provide signal service. We share our trades. We show you how to trade, how we open a trades. You can ask ourselves, but that would be like, we don't send like, it is not average signal room. It is for people who came to join and to trade. We share our trades, but my friends, you need to know how to open them. That's why if you desire to learn how to trade, how to become better trader, of course you can join. Awesome gold analysis. Yes, got it. You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome, my friend. Remember that about gold, it's important to join our Telegram channel, because take a look on all the time when we have important update about gold, all the time, as you can see, I record a video here. That's why it's important for you to join. At this moment, let's answer on questions which you asked me. Is it possible that Bitcoin will drop to 49? My friend, everything possible. Do you think some people know for 100% what can happen to some instrument? But major problem, that possibility very low that Bitcoin will drop to that level. Bitcoin, as you can see, only if there would be retest of this trend line can make a pullback to this key level. If Bitcoin, like take a look here. For Bitcoin to make a reload to that level, they need drop to this key level and make a reload here. But take a look on a history. We don't need to guess. We can open a history and we can see what happened. As you can see here, there were nearly the same trend line breakout. As you can see, after that, price didn't retest this key level before breakout. As you can see, it just rose up and didn't come back here. That's why in some cases I would be retest, but in some cases forget about any retest. Like you don't know will this happen. My friends, your questions. At this moment, what we should do, 20 questions, including instruments which you would like me to analyze. Right now, you just put it into a chat. And right now, you push like, you subscribe on our YouTube channel and turn on notification to get more updates in the future. Can you do quick analysis of CTSI? Yes. Daily chart. As you can see, they broke this accumulation. Deep pullback happened. Something like this I expect for Dogecoin. As you can see, 73%. At this moment, my friend, there's nothing like at this moment. There's nothing to do because really good accurate entry point were here. Like what you need to understand that I don't like this instrument because I see that there is not a lot of volume inside. What does it mean? That even if you open a position, there would be problem to get out. Take a look. Here is a volume. As you can see, it's volume. But take a look. Inside in one candle, like 1,067,000. If you multiply on price, that means less than 1 million USD in 1 hour candle. Very low volume. It's very bad. If that would be, take a look trend line. You can try to open entry at this trend line after retest, but I don't like it. But please. Yuri, my friend, could you give me a few words about Luna? My friend, in our VIP room, we already told to our VIP members what to do with Luna, because as you can see, Luna exactly broke this key level. At this moment, tell me please, what do you have on Luna? If you have any position, it is a one question. If you would like to open any entry at this moment, forget about it, because price already broke key level, which we mentioned in our VIP room. That's why at this moment, what you can do? At this moment, my friend, if you open buy at breakout, I recommend you to close at least from 50 to 60% minimum. And after that, you can hold your position to a goal which you would like to hold. WET USDT. WET USDT. My friend WET, as you can see already, oh my god, take a look on this retest of this key level, how false breakout beautiful happened. At this moment, price already made re-high. What does it mean? That at this moment there is nothing to do. If you open a position at a trend line breakout, you could be happy, because if you would take a look into our VIP room, take a look. In our VIP room, what was WET? WET. Take a look. About this trend line breakout, I told when it was, what was the day? It was 1st of Monday, March, 1st of March. Take a look. I told about that breakout when price, oh my god, so low. And at this moment, take a look. That rose up 63% from that point. What can you do at this moment? Nothing. Wait for deep pullback and open a position, because at this moment there is nothing to do. XLM USDT Stellar. Stellar, as you can see, a lot of coins explode, but Stellar didn't do anything. At this moment, to be honest, I scared, because in one case, in what case many coins rose up and Stellar also have potential to do it. But on other hand, what I can see, if Bitcoin will do deeper pullback, like Bitcoin one day will create one red day, Stellar can make something like this. That's why at this moment, what can I tell you? If that would be real low, I would consider to open buy position. At this moment, I don't want to trade this trend line breakout. But trend line breakout already happened, as you can see. But please. My friends, how many of you follow me on Twitter? Remember to follow me on Twitter. And remember to join our free Discord channel, where you can communicate with other people, where you can trade, share ideas. It is for free. Okay, as you can see here. Oh my god. Bad. But also, as you can see, broke all of this, but few days ago broke this beautiful trend line, as you can see here. Let's open lower time frame. As you can see, but take a look on daily chart, how beautiful it was. Yes, they made this trap. Some people gave back their positions. What I don't like on BAT, that take a look here, this volume explosion. That volume explosion can happen only in a few cases. First one, if there were a lot of people who hold sell position and they were liquidated here. Or some retail traders open buy position, because institutional investors, they don't buy after 100% up price. After such trap, what I can tell you, I would be happy to see on BAT first few things. First one, if that would be slowly squeezing to this key level, slowly, there could be possible breakout like on Luna. Only in that case I will trade BAT. Okay, BAT. I can hear, and could you look at ZKS USDT? ZKS USDT. My friends, remember to push like, because I speak for you so many days for free, so many hours, and I hope that some of you, many of you will push like and will support me, because only 69 with 120 people. Also subscribe and turn on notification. About this ZKS, I don't know. I know completely nothing fundamentally about this project. What I can tell you, if that would be real low and fake out, you can try to open buy position. That's all. I don't like that after such up price it dropped down huge and a lot. That means someone sold so much. And as you can see, biggest volume happened after, as you can see, re-high. What does it mean? Every person who holds sell position, they were quit. A lot of retail traders open buy, and after that they were trapped. Huge volume. And at this moment, this instrument still doesn't look for uprise. Okay. Okay, what we did, NEO. My friends, additional 5 instruments and we will finish. NEO, as you can see, broke this accumulation. NEO, technically, there could be uprise, beautiful uprise. As you can see, trend line broken. I would be happy if there would be retest of this trend line, false breakout, because stop loss will be very low here, and potential reward, as you can see, will be in many times bigger. If you would see potential stop, it could be like 3%, and potential profit could be up to 1 to 10. Huge risk reward. It is okay. NEO, should I convert my Bitcoin Cash to Bitcoin or just hold my Bitcoin Cash? My friends, you can do whatever you want. I don't do such recommendations for free. Once more, it's your responsibility to make a decision what you should do. Once more, if you don't know what to do, you will lose on this market. I recommend you to withdraw that money, sold your Bitcoin Cash, and withdraw all of that money. Because if you ask such questions, that means your level of education very low, and at this moment what I recommend to all of you, my friends, we have beautiful educational program. At this moment what I recommend to all of you, here below this video you will find a link. I recommend write to, my friends, at this moment what I recommend you to do right now, you should write on Telegram to me and my team the pinned Telegram, the pinned message in this chat, and you should write to me and my team and ask about education program. I recommend you to do it, because if some of you have the same questions, that means with huge possibility you'll blow out all your account. Okay, XLM. I told about XLM. I think I told about, we spoke about Stellar. Yes, Stellar is a trend line, but I don't like it. Only if reload will happen. About Cardano were in first part of this this stream. Okay, BNB. If you still have time, can you do analysis about BNB? I don't know if I should sell it or hold it. About BNB, about my friends, in first part of our stream, I analyzed top 10 cryptocurrency pairs by capitalization. And at this moment, if you would like to watch about them, you just, when this stream will finish, you can watch, you can search and find them. About other instruments, XUV, USDT. Okay, as this instrument will be the last one. Take a look how they broke this trend line. Oh my god, how beautiful it was. If you, my friend, if you open entry at this trend line breakout, I recommend you to close at least part, because as you can see, it is before this previous high. I recommend you to take part. And what I recommend you to do, if you open by at trend line breakout, close at least 40% here, and after that what I recommend you, if this uprise will continue, I recommend you to close another part here and another part before all-time high, if uprise will continue. But here close at least 40%, that you will be without any risk. ADA, please, my friend, in first part of this video I done ADA, and you will be able to watch ADA. Okay, my dear traders, thank you for your attention. Right now, push like, subscribe, turn on notification. Also, join our Telegram channel, because here, take a look. Inside in this Telegram channel, you will get updates about the most important instruments which you should trade: Bitcoin, gold, Cardano, Ethereum. We send only the most important ones. Those of you who would like to join our VIP room, here, take a look. I recommend you to watch this video about our VIP room, and you will understand what you will get inside. Also, join our Discord free channel where you can communicate with other traders, as you can see. Here is Discord free channel, as you can see. And also follow me on Twitter. It is my personal Twitter, where you can get updates, ideas for me personally. My friends, thank you for your time. Thank you, Yuri, as the best. What do you think about and you? My friends, time is over. Next time, come back faster. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.